These boys again in Atlanta, then they know what time it is next time. You feel me?
Let's coach.
You understand?
Let's coach.
Bro, that was a beautiful game. That team been around for a minute. And I bet you they remember Minnesota now. They already said it. They didn't even know we was a first-year team. They thought we've been doing it for a while. Bro, you got respect. They rank number 3 in the nation right now. And y'all rocked them, fellas, on y'all first year. We only been around for like 9 months. And we was the better team today. They was sweating. It's fine. It was new grounds for us. We used to blowing out cats and being done by halftime. We're gonna get some more like these. Now we know what to expect in Florida. When we go to Florida, we're gonna go to bed early. We're gonna tune up. We're gonna practice hard leading up to it because we know what time it is. There's gonna be some fast kids that wanna hit like us. And now we just gonna welcome it because we ready. I kept saying it was coming, we never seen it, we thought it was gonna come. Today, I'm happy we seen what we expected. Now we know what it is and we know we can rock with them. I'm actually happy with today because I was unsure. We was blowing out everybody. I was unsure. And I was telling the coach and everything, oh, I can't wait for this one because we can really see where we at. And I promise you, after I learned yesterday that they was supposed to be number 3 in the nation, and I see what we do today, I think we easily number 1 in the nation if we work out and tweaks and y'all believe that y'all number 1. You understand?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, that's easy money. Easy money. And I'm telling you now, everybody gonna be talking about Minnesota. It's not gonna be them because they didn't expect that. Let's break it down, man. Let's break it down, coach. I got some.
Hey,
good job, man.
Hey.
I ain't got no voice.
Y'all can let it sting. It's supposed to hurt. It's supposed to hurt. Now you understand what it takes to get to the top. You get knocked down, just get back up. You all right? But when you go in practice, think about this. When it's cold, when you go outside, it's cold. You working hard. You say, I don't want to go home. It's too cold. This the games you do that for. So let it sting. You just pick yourself back up. Y'all all right, man? Y'all lost 1 time. That's it.
3 years.
All right? Let's go.
Man.
Woo!
Let's go!
Let's go, Christian!